Good morning students. Welcome back to my English online class. We were discussing 7th chapter from your English grammar book, which is the present tense. So, in our previous classes, we discussed about present indefinite tense or simple present tense. Today, we will learn about present continuous tense. Okay, so all of you open your books, page number 32. See, the present continuous tense is used to talk about actions or things that are going on or happening at the present time. The present continuous tense is used to talk about action that are going on, means jitu choli ase etia, means you are reading now, that is present continuous tense. Tumi pori asa etia, moi etia hikai aso, this is present continuous tense. Understand? Which is now going on or happening at present time. See examples: boys are playing cricket. Lorabure cricket kheli ase. This work is happening. This work is going on. So this is the present continuous tense. I am going to school. Moi schoololoi goi aso. This is going on and therefore this is present continuous tense. Choli ase jitu. Rina is swimming. Rinai haturi ase. Gotike these are the examples of present continuous tense. See, the present continuous tense is used to talk about things that are planned to be done in future. So the present continuous tense is used in the things that are planned to be done in future. Futureot kiba eta koribo goi ase heitu, in that case present continuous tense is used. Okay, examples: the prime minister is visiting Washington tomorrow. Prime minister jone kailoi Washington visit koribo goi ase. Okay, she is starting dance classes soon. Tai oti sonkale dance classes start koribo. These are the examples of present continuous tense. Okay, so see the formation of present continuous tense. To form a sentence in the present continuous tense, we use the auxiliary verb is, am or are according to the subject and then add ing with the verb known as present participle or gerund form of the verb. Present participle form of the verb is known as gerund form of the verb. Okay, see, this is the formation of present continuous tense. First we have to use subject. We know subjects, plus we have to use these three auxiliary verbs according to the subject we have used. Then the main verb, and we have to add ing with the main verb plus object or complement. See, I am writing one example. I am using subject I, and among these three auxiliary verbs, which is used with the I, am is used with I. Okay, now verb. Say any verb. See, read. Read, and we have to add ing with this main verb. Ing, it becomes reading. Object or complement. Give any complement or object. I am reading English. Understand? So like this we can easily make sentences in present continuous tense. You have to just remember the formation. Okay, see, I am taking another subject which is he, and which auxiliary verb is used with he? That is. He is. Okay, and I am using play. ing, playing cricket. This is another example. Understand or not? The auxiliary verb am is used with the subject I. The auxiliary verb is used with he, she and it, and any singular nouns means any name. Okay? And are, these are singular. I, he, she, it, these are singular. And are is used with plural subjects like we are. We is plural, so we have to use are. Okay? We are dancing. We are dancing Kathak. So these actions are going on. These are in present continuous tense. Okay? And see the differences of am is, are. Am is used with I, is used with he, she or it. These two are used with singular. Okay? And are is used with the plural. The subjects which are plural, these are is used with that subject. Okay? Like you, they, like that. So with these subjects are is used. Understand? Now see. Negative sentences in present continuous tense. We can make negative sentences is present continuous tense. How? Read the following sentences. See this. I am not going to Delhi. He is not eating. We are not playing. We know that to make negative sentence a word is used which is not. Not word is used to make negative sentences, but where we use this word, that is very important to learn. See, to form negative sentences in the present continuous tense, not is added between the auxiliary verb and the verb. See this. In these three sentences, these are the auxiliary verbs. Am, is, are, these are the auxiliary verbs, and these are the main verbs or verbs. If we use not in between auxiliary verb and main verb, then it becomes the negative sentences. Very easy. Understand? If we write not between auxiliary verb and the verb, then it becomes the negative sentences. So like this we can make negative sentences in present continuous tense. Understand? Now see how to make interrogative sentences in present continuous tense. Read the following sentences. Is Ram playing football? Are you riding a bicycle? Are we getting late? These are interrogative sentences in present continuous tense. How can we make these interrogative sentences? To form interrogative sentences in the present continuous tense, the sentence is started with the auxiliary verb followed by subject and the present participle form of the verb. See these sentences in present continuous tense. Subject, auxiliary verb, this is main verb plus ing, this is object. Okay, so to make interrogative sentences in present continuous tense, we have to move or we have to place the auxiliary verb before the subject. So is, I am writing is before Ram. Is Ram, and the remain words are same. Is Ram playing football? And interrogative mark is very important. Question mark is you have to give this. Ram is playing football. Rame football kheli ase. Is Ram playing football? Rame football kheli ase ne? So we have made this interrogative sentence. So here same strategy. You have to move the place of auxiliary verb before the subject. See, are you riding a bicycle? And here, are we getting late? Okay, students. So like this we can make interrogative sentences. So students, it's your today's class which is about present continuous tense. Now your today's homework is you have to write 5 sentences in present continuous tense. After that, convert the same sentences in negative sentence and also interrogative sentence. Okay? First, you write 5 sentences in present continuous tense, then change that same sentences in negative sentence and interrogative sentence. Okay, I have repeated this. So do it and send to me. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day ahead.